Welcome to Molto Buono, a channel where you can find simple, delicious and affordable recipes, mainly from the Mediterranean cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how you can cook zucchini and carrots in cast iron on the stove. My name is Kriste, and while the intro goes, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. So here are the ingredients that we will need. Some oil. I recommend using extra virgin olive oil because it will improve the taste. 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, 2 medium-sized zucchini and 4 medium-sized carrot, and salt and pepper for seasoning. So let's start preparing. First we cut the carrots. So this is the perfect size. So we cut all of them like this. Now we have them all cut, and let's put them in the bowl and save them for later. We take the zucchini, and basically this is the perfect size that we want. We want them rolls. And that's it. We put them in a bowl as well and save them for later. And we can start cooking them. So on high heat, we add the cast iron skillet and we wait to heat up 2 or 3 minutes. The skillet seems hot enough. So now I lower the temperature and I add some extra virgin olive oil. And add the carrots as well. We add the carrots first because it takes longer for them to cook. We leave them cooking for about 10 minutes on medium heat. About 10 minutes have passed, but more importantly, the carrots seem soft. So now is the time to add the zucchini. We take them all, we just add them, and we add some salt. And we add some pepper. If you feel there is not enough oil, you can add some oil as well. And now we cook the zucchini for about 3 to 4 minutes before we add the garlic. 3-4 minutes have passed, and as you can see, the zucchini starts to get brown. Now is the time to add the garlic. I strongly recommend adding garlic because it will improve the taste. Now we just leave them cooking for 10 minutes until they're soft, and that's it, we're done. So about 10 minutes have passed. And as you can see, the carrots and the zucchini are soft. And that means they're done. This is a very healthy and easy meal to prepare. If you want to know how to cook it in the oven, I have already made a video about this and I will leave a link in the description. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have some questions, leave them in the comments below. Buon appetito!